Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Bull Bay. Now this section of Bull Bay is in St. Andrew, and Bull Bay is going to be one of the biggest winners from the building of the Southern Coastal Highway. This roundabout was put in as a part of the highway construction. So the Southern Coastal Highway takes you from Kingston to Yalos, this section of the highway, which is 4 lanes. The highway goes all the way to Portland. That's the new Bull Bay sign that was just installed. Very nicely done, and they're building a park around the sign. There you can see the benches and the palm trees. It still has a little work to be done, but you get the gist of it. Now, some people had said the sign should say "Welcome to Bull Bay," but it's Bull Bay. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Should it have said "Welcome to Bull Bay" or just Bull Bay? Now, because of this highway, you can get from Kingston, from the Harborview roundabout to the Bull Bay roundabout in 4 minutes. 4 minutes on highway quality road. You can get from the Norman Manley International Airport to Bull Bay in 10 minutes. You can get from the Norman Manley International Airport to Bull Bay faster than you can get to New Kingston. So this highway is definitely a game changer for this area, and Bull Bay is going to have a lot of economic benefits from this highway. For example, hotels are coming to Bull Bay. Luxury hotels. Luxury apartments or villas are being built in Bull Bay. These are things you would never hear of before. And I must say, from making these videos, especially the drone footage, I never realized the coastline of Bull Bay was so beautiful. They have some very nice beaches. Actually, Reggae Beach is it Reggae Beach? Yes, Reggae Beach. It's in St. Thomas. In Bull Bay, actually, and that beach is in the news because I think they're going to be building hotels there or some development, and there's a lot of discussion about it. Now, if you notice, this highway has street lights. Over 400 street lights are going to be installed along this highway. This is the Bull Bay area. We're heading towards 7 miles Bull Bay. I must say, this highway was built by China Harbour Engineering Company. Job well done. And you really have to give a shout out to the government for building this highway, because this was the vision of the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness. There you can see the coastline. Now, I think they should put some kind of wall or not a wall, but like railing along this side to prevent cars from accidentally going over. But it's a work in progress. The highway was officially opened in February. I think it was February 6th. Sometime in February. And there you can see street lights. And actually, there are 9 or 11 street lights to be installed along this highway. And surprisingly, very surprisingly, the first street lights that were commissioned on this highway were by Grandspend, the turnoff to go into Grandspend. And that was the first street light to be installed in St. Thomas. Morant Bay apparently has no street lights. I found that very surprising. In the year 2024 is the first time street lights were being installed in St. Thomas. But they are installed along this highway. I think it's 9 sets of street lights. Some are in operation and some are still to be installed. But as you can see, it's a 4-lane dual carriageway, very nice road. Job well done. And we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on in Bull Bay. It's just a matter of time before Bull Bay gets an urban center and a lot more commercial development. When you build these highways, a lot of developments follow. And this is another look at the sign. Alright, guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.